Here I want to make a lovely cake with egg, evaporated milk, baking powder. This is my vanilla flavor, and my flour, sugar. So let's get started. I'm using groundnut oil or vegetable oil, either of them. Here, my oil. Here, milk. Hi guys, let's bake with blender. Here I've added my milk, my egg, sugar, baking powder, and my vanilla flavor. Everything is going on well. Adding my flour. It's really nice, honestly, if you don't have a mixer. Here, while I'm adding butter to my pan, so that it will not get stick to the pan when it's ready. So I'm adding flour. All right, here's the cake.
Hi guys, my mommy is making cake today. She's just putting it in the oven. Just wait and see the channel for a couple of minutes. Guys, let's check the cake is ready. Whoa, so amazing!
Hi, Meme. Meme, your slippers correctly. You didn't wear your slippers correctly. You wore the wrong legs. You need to switch it.
See my slippers.
Yeah, let's get the cake out from the oven. Wow, it really came out so nice, honestly. If you are there that you don't like butter, try vegetable oil. You'll love it, honestly. The cake came out so nice. The texture was so lovely. I didn't add so much sugar, but it came out so nice. Please, guys, if you love what you just watch, please share my video, like my video, and follow my page. Thank you. God bless you. Please support your sister. Bye.